Hello there and welcome for tuning in to this tutorial series. We'll be building a super basic multiplayer ready train system and we'll go straight into it. So right now I've got open just a blank project, blueprint, and there's literally nothing in it. The first thing we want to do is add feature a content pack and add some content, the starter content. It's going to be helpful later on, so we don't have to create meshes or anything else. And get started. I'm also going to create a folder called name, put in all my code. Also make a new blueprint class and make this an actor. This will be our trail blueprint. And in here, I'm going to add a simple spline component. Raw debug is also by default set to true. And just to see what happens when we add this, you can see you've got this little handle right there that you can drag out of. And then you can also modify the spline. So yeah, that's pretty good so far. And another thing we also want to have is a train, of course. Train. And let's add a mesh component to this. And make this the cube. Also, just want to be a little platform. That's about it. Let's change the transform to something you like. This looks awesome. Okay, that's the basic setup, and of course we want to be walking around and have a playable character to try things out. So for that I'm gonna add the third person content. So what you do is just click on this add button and then add feature content pack again. And just click third person, add the project. Another thing you also want to do is the game mode override under world settings. Set that to third person game mode. So when we hit start, oh yeah, also press Ctrl S to save. And let's just call this test map. Let it save for a little sec. Okay, there we go. And we'll play the play. I'm walking around as a third person character, which is awesome. Okay, that's the first part. This is like just basic setup. And now we're gonna start and create the logic for the train and trail